Hello everyone, you are welcome on your workflow. Today we will see how we can use dynamic prompt using state. So let's start. Here in this code, you will see this state template agent. So what we are doing is we have a tool save profile, and this save profile is being used as a tool, and this will be called to save the profile of the user. So it will contain username, topic, learning level, and tone. And then in state we are updating that. And then here you see this is being used like username, topic, learning level, and tone. So it is saying if if the user asks to save or update their profile, call save profile. Okay. So and if user details are missing, ask for them briefly. When profile details are available, greet the user by name. Keep examples focused on their topic, match their learning level, and use their preferred tone. Okay. So what I am going to do is I'm starting the session. So ADK web is running. So here I'll refresh the page. Okay. Here you'll see some running the web UI. So here we have example prompt. I will copy this and paste it here. It is saying that save my profile. My name is Hariram. My topic is Google Agent Development Key Tools. My learning level is beginner and my preferred tone is friendly. Just enter. You see, this is being called save profile. Great, your profile had been saved. Okay, how can I help you to get started with Google Agent Development Key Tools today? Write a study plan. Okay, no worries. We'll write this again. Model is experiencing high demand. Okay, see, that's good idea, Hare Ram. A study plan will definitely help you get started with Google Agent Development Kit ADK tools. Since you are beginner, we will break it down into easy to digest steps. Here is a friendly beginner study plan for Google ADK tools. Then we have study plan. Phase 1 is foundations, then hands-on with simple agent, then adding basic functionality, ongoing learning, tips for success. This is a study plan suggested. So now what I'm going to do is I'll start a new session and I'll say again same thing, write a study plan. See what it says. Model experience in high demand, no worries. We'll write the question again. I can help with that. To make sure I create the best study plan for you, could you tell me a bit more? What topic do you want to study? What's your current learning level? What kind of tone? And what's your name? So I can personalize it for you. These are things I have to say, then it will create. Okay. If you don't know how to create agent, so I have already a video in this playlist. Just go and watch. You will see, you will learn how to create agent. Then it will be a good for you to understand this video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Ears Overflow.